Hi, this is Amazing Ken. I love Amazing PowerQuery. Now today we're going to share with you what is table.range, right? So for example, you have a data like this, right? And you want to extract a certain part of the table, a subset of the table, and for certain rows, right? And that is what table.range can do. Let's go over to our example. So we have a source loaded into PowerQuery and want to get these to here, right? So I want to keep these from the row 8 to row 11, right? So I added the index column. And finally, I have the table.range 7 and 4. Why is it 7, right? Let's go back to here, right? 7 is because under the index column, this is the 7th. And then why 4? Because I want the next 4 rows, right? Next 4 rows. Now, is it possible to have a reverse, right? Let's see. Let's come over here, change it to -4, right? Just curious, right? Oh, it doesn't work with negative value, right? So, but this works. So let's see what remains, right? So first I have this, I loaded it, and I go to index column. I choose from 0. So loaded this, and after that I'm going to insert a step. To insert a step, click on this button, add step, and follow that we type table.range, and the table we get is from the source step. So put that source, and we want something from the 7th row or the 7th, right? So actually it's 8 row, but in the index column 7, right? And then after 7, we want the next 4 rows, right? So we put that 4 and enter. That's it. And that is how to use table.range, right? What does it mean, table.range? So hey, thank you very much, right? You have just learned about table.range. I believe that one day, one M language, you can master it, isn't it? So believe that you're amazing and really believe that you are amazing, right? And you can do amazing things. One step at a time, you can achieve all that you dream of. And I wish you well.